Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on July 31, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The Colombo Stock Exchange ended the day on a positive note. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, gained 76.33 points, closing at 19,642.48, marking an increase of 0.39%. The S&P/SL 20 index also moved up by 10.49 points, ending at 5,762.17, up by 0.18%. Both indices reflected strong investor sentiment as the market continued its upward momentum. The total market capitalization stood at 6,895.69 billion rupees. Market turnover for the day was 5.66 billion rupees, with crossings amounting to 2.21 billion rupees. The highest crossings were recorded in Union Bank of Colombo plc and Access Engineering plc. Domestic investors remained dominant in the market, accounting for 5,501.53 million rupees in total purchases, which represented approximately 97% of overall buying activity. Foreign investors contributed 161.66 million rupees, making up the remaining 3%. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded sales worth 5,367.52 million rupees, comprising 95% of total market sales. In contrast, foreign sales were relatively modest at 295.67 million rupees, representing just 5% of total sales. The top gainers of the day at the Colombo Stock Exchange included Alpha Fire Services, which led the list with strong investor interest. It was followed by Union Bank of Colombo, York Arcade Holdings, TAL Lanka Hotels, and UB Finance. These stocks recorded notable gains, contributing positively to the overall market sentiment for the day. Conversely, the top losers of the day included Jana Shakti Finance, which experienced notable selling pressure. Odell, Rambota Falls, Dialogue Finance, and the Lighthouse Hotel also saw declines, contributing to the downward movement in select sectors of the market. Now let's take a look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Haley's led the way, providing a significant boost to the index and reflecting strong investor sentiment in the capital goods sector. DFCC Bank also made a notable contribution, signaling continued confidence in the banking sector. Brown's Investments added valuable points to the index, supported by healthy trading volumes. National Development Bank played a key role in maintaining ASPI's overall stability, with sustained buying interest in banking counters. Lastly, Commercial Credit and Finance also contributed positively to the index's upward movement. Finally, let's review the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. John Keells Holdings was a key drag on the index, reflecting cautious sentiment within the capital goods sector. Commercial Credit and Finance also weighed on overall performance. Losses in Melstacorp added further pressure, influencing the market's downward direction. Meanwhile, Hamas Holdings and PGP Glass Salon closed in the red, rounding out the list of key stocks behind today's softer market close. These collective movements contributed to the overall decline observed in the broader index. Thank you.